It was This is a test of the Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the WNG 698 listening area of north central Ohio in conjunction with the Ohio statewide tornado drill. This includes all counties in Ohio and is valid until 10:00 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This test message is part of the annual Ohio tornado drill. If this were an actual severe weather event, you would be given information about the hazard. The National Weather Service, Ohio Emergency Management Agency, and the Ohio Committee on Severe